Great.
It is nice. You know, our rain that's coming later on in the week, kind of toward the Thursday and Friday hour, that's coming our way, but it hasn't stopped people in northern Italy from getting all this rain. Take a look at this in Venice. It's gotten even worse worse than this. Check this out.
Wow.
Look at that.
Oh my God.
Venetian flooding nearly reaches record levels. Aerial footage shows the extent of the deluge of the Venetian barrier islands. Venetian, right?
Right.
I've never been there, have you?
I would love to go, not right now.
Venetian, and I'll tell you what, the flooding of the canal there, the city has reached the second highest level ever.
Wow.
Officials, say the highest water mark hit 74 inches, making it nearly just impossible there. All of the city was flooded. The famous St. Mark's Square is sotto acqua.
Sotto acqua.
Have you heard of that before?
I've never heard of it.
That's Italian for underwater. That's right. I'm learning Italian as we work here.
Yeah.
Grounding taxi boats and gondolas on walkways. But I want to check out that video there because look at that. It's absolutely incredible. We were talking to Gary, our producer here, and you know, there's no roads in Italy, right? He said there's one maybe or two out toward the airport, right? But that's mainly about it.
That's how they get around, is the boat. And now they're docking those. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Keep your fingers crossed and pray for those guys over there in Italy, in Venice.
No, that is too much.
Oh, that is crazy video. Thanks, Mike.